Hello children, welcome to my online class Online Study with Vinay. Today we are going to discuss about structure of tooth. Teeth have three main function of 1. Breaking down means masticating food. Second, enabling us to pronounce words. And the third, shaping the face and make us beautiful and help us to speak words, to speak clearly. Without teeth we can't speak properly. Okay, this is the main three works of teeth. So now the question is, what is the structure of the teeth? A tooth that is visible in your mouth is only a part of the entire tooth. Okay, because some part of the tooth is just inside the gums. The root of the tooth is completely buried into the jawbone. Okay? Jawbone means the roots. With the help of this picture, you can understand the structure of tooth very clearly. Look at the right side of the picture. There the figure of tooth. It is divided in three portions: crown, neck, and root. And we only see the crown part. Okay. In the crown, there are three things: enamel, dentine, pulp cavity. In the neck, there is gum. And in the root, there is root canal and nerve and blood supply. Okay. So let's we study about these parts. Root, the part of a tooth embedded into the jaw, means in the base. Crown, the top part of the tooth outside the gum, which we can see and touch in white in color. Through that we chew the food, cut the food. Neck, the part between the root and the crown, means where tooth start showing us. Enamel, it is the white part of a tooth and is the hardest substance of our body. Enamel contains calcium salt. Dentine is like a bone structure. Pulp cavity remain to explain. Inside the dentine, there is a soft pulp cavity, means pulp area, which contains blood vessels and nerves. Through that, our tooth sends and flow the blood. Let's talk about the caring of tooth. If we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating food, then many harmful bacteria begin to grow and live on the teeth. These bacteria act on the sugar present in is the leftover food particles, sticking to the teeth to form acid. That's why doctor prescribe brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, before and after the meal. The acid thus formed eats up the enamel and the dentine of the tooth gradually, means slowly, and ultimately makes a cavity. Cavity means area, a hole in the tooth, that is called tooth decay. When this cavity or hole reaches the pulp cavity of the tooth, which contains nerves, our tooth becomes painful and we get toothache. Okay, then we have to go to our dental surgeon and he will see us and give the medicine. So one thing is important, that brush your teeth. Yeah, at least rinse your mouth after every whatever you eating. If you are eating a single thing, like you are chewing the chewing gum, eating the toffee, then just after that you have to clean your mouth with the fresh water. That will help to remove the bacteria and the leftover part of the food and make your teeth clean and nice. Okay. In the mouth there is another thing, that is tongue. Tongue is very important. Without it we can't speak, we can't taste, and we can't mix the saliva in our food. So the tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth. The tongue is covered with moist pink tissue called mucosa. Tiny bones called papillae give the tongue its rough texture. Thousands of taste buds cover the surfaces of the papillae. Taste buds are collection of nerve-like cells that connect to nerves running into the brain. Papillae means round shaped popped area where if you touch your tongue there you can see there's something roughness you can find there, and something is little bit popping up upside. Okay, that is called papillae. And taste buds means where you can taste the thing with the help of that. There is a picture of tongue and with the different taste buds. You are seeing the starting of the tongue is feel the taste sweet, and the last of the tongue feel bitter, and the left side upper side sour in both side, and both side down left and right there is salty taste it feel. Okay, this is the clear.